Despite the cold weather, in the townland of Rathdonnell outside Letterkenny, temperatures are at fever pitch over who can do what with the load of Donegal County Council road chips. The trouble began when frustrated local farmers took some of the County Council's chips and filled in the many gaping potholes on the road to their homes. The following day the council arrived with a digger, a lorry and 5 men and began taking out the chips and opening up the potholes once more. When the council workers arrived to begin day 2 of their chips reclamation, the frost was so severe that they couldn't work on the road. So, while awaiting a thaw, they cleared out drains. As for the local farmers, they remain angry and unrepentant.
We're feeling very, very bad humour about it. We're raging. The cars here is completely wrecked.
I think it's a disgrace that the County Council, Donegal County Council, should be allowed to come out and lift the chippings out of the potholes after us filling them, trying to help improve the roads and all, and the shape that they're in now.
Every time the council's been approached about this piece of road, the answer, I believe, generally is there was no money. And about a week ago, they sent a full lorry load of chips to lay a road to a private house up here and left them for the man himself to put on with a link box.
In a statement, Donegal County Council said the farmers, by using unsuitable road chips, had left the road in a dangerous condition. The Gardaí had been asked to investigate the matter. The council spokesman couldn't comment on whether similar chips had been used to repair the road before. Local representatives are expected to take up the matter.